Ever wondered why your AI assistant sometimes misses the mark? Like you ask for a friendly, concise summary, and it either rambles or sounds robotic. That's the challenge researchers are tackling with a groundbreaking method called VERIF, a game changer for making AI actually listen to instructions. Let's break it down. When we give AI tasks, there are two types of rules: hard constraints and soft constraints. Hard ones are easy to check, like keep it under 100 words or include the word solar. These are like math problems. Either you meet the rule or you don't. But soft constraints, think write in a friendly tone or avoid jargon. These are trickier. They're more like art, hard to quantify, but you know it when you see it. Most AI systems struggle with both. They might follow the letter of the law but miss the spirit. That's where VERIF steps in. It's like giving AI a two-person team. One person checks the math code for hard rules, and the other acts as a human-like editor, an AI model for soft rules. Imagine a teacher who first uses a calculator to check your math homework, and then reads your essay to see if it's engaging. That's VERIF in action. The secret sauce? A massive dataset called VERINSTRUCT, built from 22,000 examples. Each entry has verification signals. Think of them as hidden clues about what makes a response good. For instance, if the instruction is, explain quantum physics in 150 words with a playful tone, the dataset teaches the AI to check both the word count and whether the tone feels, well, playful. When researchers tested VERIF on models like TULU-3 and DeepSeek R1, the results were impressive. The AI got better at following tricky instructions without losing its ability to do other tasks, like solving math problems or writing stories. And here's the kicker. VERIF doesn't need humans to label every example. It splits the work between code and AI reasoning, making the process faster and smarter. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. The team behind this research didn't just look at what people asked AI to do, they dug deeper, analyzing how those instructions were phrased. They sorted constraints into 5 categories: response length, keywords, format like bullet points or paragraphs, content, specific topics or details, and style, formal, poetic, casual, etc. And here's the cool part. 77.7% of these rules were soft. Think of them as guidelines like be creative or use a friendly tone. Only 22.3% were hard rules, like strict word limits. This mix mirrors real life, where some instructions are clear-cut and others are more about nuance. To tackle this, the researchers built a training system called VERL, using a method called GRPO. Think of it like a personal trainer for AI. They tweaked settings like how much data the model processes at once, how quickly it learns, and how many times it practices responses before getting it right. They even tested their model against other AI systems, using tools like GPT-4 as a judge to make sure everything was fair. And here's a clever twist. They didn't just teach the AI to follow rules, they gave it a helper. A smaller model called IF Verifier 7B acts like a quality control check. It scans the AI's work to make sure it hits all the constraints, kind of like a grammar checker but for instructions. If the AI writes a report that's the right length but misses a key keyword, this verifier flags it. Why does this matter? Well, picture an AI that can write a business report with perfect formatting, tackle multi-step tasks without getting lost, or even shift its tone to match a reader's needs. This research is like building a more flexible, reliable AI, one that's better at understanding the why behind instructions, not just the what. And the best part? The dataset and tools are open source, so anyone can use them to push AI further. So what's one instruction you wish AI could follow perfectly? Drop your thoughts below, let's brainstorm together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the science shaping our future.